Hello, what's good everyone? Daily commodity calls by the Vela Academy. Alright guys, just a little bit of an update on our previous setup. We did expect for the price to continue its bullish movement. However, we were expecting for the price to either land to our nearest support zone or at least to one of our reversal prices located at 4436 all the way to 4228. At first, we were expecting for the price to complete its wave somewhere on the reversal prices because we were expecting for daily time frame and daily structure to end its correction trend somewhere on the reversal zones as well as the reversal prices. However, throughout the weekend, as you guys can see, the price will push all the way to the upside because of Trump. So what actually happened throughout the weekend? Trump gave us a very good headline where Trump said interest rates are set to fall significantly. So what does this mean? Basically, the market is starting to price in possible future rate cuts again. When traders hear lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper and reduce returns from bonds, so money starts flowing back into assets like stocks and gold. But the important part here is the Fed has still been quite hawkish. And if you take a look on the inflation, it is still remain as sticky. So right now, the market is reacting more to future expectation rather than actual Fed action. The second headline for today is oil prices slip as Strait of Hormuz reopening prospects. This is important because Hormuz is one of the world's biggest oil routes. If the market believes oil supply disruption risk is reducing, meaning to say oil prices drop, inflation fears cool down, and risk sentiment improves. And when inflation fears cool down, traders start expecting the Fed to have more room to cut rates later on. That's why we can currently see that USD is softening, equities pushing higher, and gold temporarily supported. So overall, right now, the market is entering a more risk-on environment due to easing geopolitical tension and lower oil pressure. So for today, let's check it out on what we can do on the current price action. Let's go. So based on the current structure and the current news that is currently ongoing on inside the market, we can expect for the price to continue its bullish movement all the way to the upper side. As of now, what we can expect is we can expect for the price to retrace and to gain its momentum to be pushed all the way to 4621 or 4673. The reason why I say that is because right now we could clearly see that the H4 resistance trend line has been broken out, and if you take a look on H4 time frame, we could clearly see a compressed pattern, and normally whenever you see this compressed pattern, this will definitely give you a very high impact entry points. I'll update you guys once I see a clearer structure before we start to participate in any entry points. Alright guys, so y'all take care, you'll trade safe. Assalamualaikum.